Waste time, just give me that. Picking up your signal, it's fine.
I'm trying to record and Cam is. I took him to the other room with his toy just now and he came back. So hopefully it's not too loud so you guys can hear me. I'm doing the Toyotress butterfly locks in 8" and this is the T30 color. So it ombres from dark to light. It's really nice. So I've done the Toyotress butterfly locks before, but they were a little longer, so this is probably the shortest I've done. So I think it'll be cute. And I don't think, oh actually I think I did do this color, but this is how the pack comes, and it comes with the crochet needle. So let's see how many packs come in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 packs all together from Toyotress. And then my crochet needle. I will show you guys what I have working with my base. I need a brush. So this should be pretty easy, fast, and straightforward for me. So I got my hair cornrowed down in a crochet pattern. I have a part right here. So, and then these 2 braids connect right here, because I told her like I want the part here, so make sure you connect the braids here so that it can cover. So I got these braids done a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to wait until the braids were a little bit worn, I guess, so that my parting doesn't look too perfect, and you know, like the knots and stuff will blend better, like the crochet knots and stuff like that. So I've done it. And also sometimes these knots, these are how thick the knots are. Sometimes if your braids are too tight, like they're nice and like laid and tight and fresh, sometimes it's actually hard to get the knot through, and then it's a little, and then it kind of hurts. So I would say make sure that when they braid the hair down, it's not too tight, or wait a little bit so that it comes a little loose. So my braids are a little loose so that these can easily fit through, and I won't have too much tension on my scalp. So I'm excited. So as I said, like this is the time-consuming part, is the braids, and I just go to the salon and have someone braid it for me. So it takes no time. So I'm very methodical with like positioning of hair and like stuff and numbering. So let me see how many I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 braids here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 braids in the back. So I'm going to divide it evenly so that you know, everything works out. I don't have like spaces and not enough hair, all that stuff like that. So I said 17 and 8. That's that. So I'll start at the back. So within each pack I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of the lot. So let's get started. It should be easy. Cam. Ooh, I gotta check what time I started. Where's my phone? So I started at say 1:30.
Check. Set tone. Yeah. Mr. Romantic.
Alright, so I have 1 row down and a bunch to go. So I'll come back when the back is done and show you guys how it is.
Position your body, make you wine and dip. Position your body, make you. We be getting different money, different day. Girl, you know I love it when you misbehave. I got something for you, a jiggy wave. Girl, you know I love the way you misbehave. It's something strange, do it again. What's your name? Say what's your name? I wanna eat and tight.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you the final look. So this was from yesterday. I still have to lay my edges as well, so. Alright, so let me lay my edges.
No waste time, just give me that. Picking up your signal, it's fine. She's the sweetest girl in the whole wide world. Bring it back, let me thump it. In this class, you're the subject. You already know that I'm learning. Big bunda on a bracket. Squeeze a man a yeah, leave a thumbprint. Make a rude boy tell you something. They talking, they lurking. Your body, they ain't never touching. No. Ride or die like